morning. Today I'm here with my friend, Realtor Jose.
Hi, how you doing?
And we're gonna explain to you a few questions that we get all the time. The most important one, people ask me, what's the benefits of a newer home instead of an older home?
Well, I think it comes in the name. It's a new home. It has all new appliances. It has a new roof, new plumbing, new everything. With an older home, you're basically buying it as is with all the defects that an existing home would have.
Perfect. And just so you know, Land C guarantees 1 year workmanship warranty, 2 year system warranty, and also we have a 10-year structural warranty. The second question we are getting all the time is about interest rates. Right now, the interest rates, and Jose, what do you think of that? Are they going to go down?
It all depends on the federal government. We don't have control over that, but everybody that I hear on the news says it's not coming down anytime soon.
And just so you know, Land C homes right now, interests are 5.99. And also we have another benefit. We have a no closing cost if you wanted to refinance your house in the next 3 years from the moment you close contracts.
And 5.99 is an attractive rate. And if you're able to refinance in 3 years with no cost, it's a win-win. You either get a great rate or you refinance when the rates are better.
Absolutely. So you don't have to guess, because whatever happens, you are safe.
Yeah, definitely. It sounds like a great option for your customers.
Wonderful. And if you have any other questions about refinancing, about the house, and if you like our model home and you want to come check it out, you can call me, you can contact Jose, emails or DMs. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Bye.